Clap.
You don't even find
Yeah,
that cricket
yeah.
there now.
Hey! Shut up!
The fact that work is crazy. Cricket is back there like.
Cricket frightened. All right, start the episode. Welcome to the Dale Elliott podcast. I am your host, Dale Elliott, and I am here with my co-host, Crooks.
Stang diggy diggy dang.
Badam, badam, bing, baga diggy diggy dang, badam, badam. Badam, diggy diggy dang, badam, badam.
Hey.
Them catch ha. All right, we don't know. I saw my belly go when me eat stew peas.
Fucks. Yeah, the stew peas.
Beef stew peas though.
The stew peas do be giving the bubbles.
Trust me, when my belly goes, so stang me give me bang, badam, badam, beef, stew peas.
Yeah,
That
man, some
definitely.
pea soup. Mm-hmm.
You know the one that will splash up back? You have to make sure say you put a toilet paper in a toilet first.
Yeah, for make it kind of
Hey,
balance, splash control.
you see, bro,
You
I
know
don't
it's
think
serious
this
when you
is
have
talk
to,
about.
when you levitate like a
Bro, there's nothing I hate more
Mm-hmm.
than when a splash catch me.
No, me have a beard. Me have to go beard now. This
No, me have a beard.
Whatever about to happen, just add 20 minutes onto it. Cause now me have to go beard.
Yeah,
This
because,
no-
brother, once there's a splash,
yeah, it's done. It's done. Yo, I don't know how people do. Yo, have you ever used that bidet?
no,
Brother,
no. Me see them all the time though, but me not use no bidet.
brother. No remember
People,
which.
comments. Don't forget to like, share, comment,
Yes,
and
yes,
subscribe.
yes.
You know, because I don't feel like I'm forgetting now.
We love y'all.
Yeah. And a
brother.
matter of fact, a bidet is a thing I saw in Spain.
In
It's
Spain,
like
you
a
see?
little. It's like a little toilet beside the toilet.
It's like a thing. Some of them like attach like into the toilet. And you know, it has a thing where it sprays water.
No time.
It sprays water
We're gonna stop talking about that.
to clean yourself.
Nah.
Brother,
Nah, use a bidet.
brother.
Nope.
So, but I want hotel in Vegas and see the bidet. I mean, I say, let's see what I got. You see, me look and turn it so and see the water go. Me, I said, to who? Yo, how would I doing at this?
No.
No, Richard.
Hey, man, you're not doing that.
Man, yo, know on yourself, you know.
No,
Hey,
sir.
you got beard, man.
Brother, you know what happened to me one day? I'm
What?
feel like this happened to all men
What?
and it's women cause it. Do you enjoy going out with women?
Going out with women,
Yeah, like I go out.
like
Going out
Like
to
date-wise or
sports.
like-
like just a regular, like, to me, brother, me will carry my girl go like dinner date from now till the morning. We sit something like a festival or a concert where now you have to hold on
you
pan
have,
them hand.
like you have a babysit now.
Hey, monsieur. Before you move, just like, share, comment, subscribe. Raise up your views them, man. I have to like babysit.
Yeah.
I hate it so much.
Bro, I also hate it.
Yeah,
It's-
and a lot of women don't care, but we don't like it. I think this is one I can speak for all men. We hate taking you guys to anything that is like super public that can get rough.
'Cause it's trippy too, right? 'Cause there's a lot of women that have like anxiety around big crowds. Like they don't like big crowds. They want to do the thing.
Mm-hmm.
You know, they don't like the big crowd though. And now you have to like play security. Now you're security. You have to, if somebody bunks her, that is your problem now.
Brother, you know what
That
me
is
hate
your
the,
issue.
Bro, you know what me hate the most?
What?
Women, stop this. Uno carry this purse come out of the house. Whether the purse big or small, but it's your purse. It's your purse.
It's your responsibility.
It's your responsibility. Don't have me stand up in at the party or at the concert With your purse in my hand.
Why? Why you never just left your purse?
No, me have this big purse around my shoulder like girl.
I know you have to figure out, no, you have to play that game now, you have to figure out what is the manly way.
Because no, me have to try hold the purse.
You have to fold it.
Like
just
a
hold
man.
It like a briefcase.
You know them with it?
Yeah, you have to try figure out, because you can't drape it over your shoulder, you know.
Brother, you can't hold the purse certain weight.
Yeah.
No, you have the Gucci purse, you have to hold it in your hand like man.
Crush it.
Brother, but she get her purse, it crush up.
Yeah, man, fully.
Purse or bag. Telfar, you know the Telfar
The Telfar back then, yep.
Brother, me a man, me will I'll put it across my body.
Wear it like a...
And walk with it. Me even business.
Fair.
Listen to me. Come out of the yard with... When we are go out, you know funny? Like me look, when we are go out as man, like everything what we have fit in our pocket.
In the pockets.
But a girl will have on something with no pocket at all.
Bro.
And one big purse in them hand.
You know,
and they go give me if you hold on pan it.
You know
why me have to keep your purse?
You know what upset me even more? Yeah, wear something with fake pocket. It have an illusion of one pocket. I know me still have to carry everything. But that's how them view, you know. That's the upsetting
You know what
part,
I'm going to say?
What?
What I truly say, oh, I like it.
I mean...
Yeah, because sundress not deserve pockets still.
No, yeah, true,
no, we don't want...
Yo.
We don't want to see the pocket with their sundress.
Yo,
no.
Have you ever seen how excited women get when they find clothes with pockets, though?
Or like, me never even know that is not a thing.
Brother, comments, talk truth. Brother, make a woman find like a dress and it have pockets. That's the first thing. That's going to be the highlight of the dress. Like, oh, no, it's cute, right? And they got pockets. Bro, they are so excited for pockets. It's crazy how excited they are for pockets. Like, if their dress has a pocket.
For pocket.
For a pocket, bro. If they just have a pocket, it's got pockets and it's got pockets. It's always...
But I feel like that's one of the reasons then why right now me hate tight clothes now. Me hate anything, like me hate tight jeans. Me just can't do tight clothes no more because me just... One, me know why you can't see something in my pocket.
It's so annoying having everything like this.
When you have on a tight jeans, when you have a tight jeans and you put your car key in your pocket, brother, your pocket look cut up.
It's over. It's over. Extra tight, you know. You know what I mean?
No, your pants super tight.
Oh, Lord, bro. Yeah, we feel like it's a thing where, no, I like clothes where, like I like cargo pants now, right? 15
nice
different pockets. Yeah, man. Pocket, yes, sir. Pocket, yeah, man. You mean pockets everywhere.
You ever go with a girl and she drunk on you yet?
Yeah. Fully. I mean, being a DJ.
And them a superwoman when they're drunk, you know.
Them can do everything, man.
Everything.
Them can do everything and nothing.
Everything.
Bro, my girl have a sister, bro. Her birthday, right? She had left a party. And I go back at the yard. She just leave out of the blue, you know. Nobody knows say she a cut. It's like, everybody thinks she gone to the bathroom or something. My girl find her, my girl outside. I try jump on a scooter. We go back at the yard.
Yeah.
Right? No, the yard is not scooter distance. The yard is absolutely...
Uber distance.
The yard is for sure Uber distance. It is not scooter distance. And then when my girl go up on the scooter and try scoot 2 times, I say, yo, what you do? What you do? The drop where she drop this, man?
She just want to go. She feel bionic.
Brother, superpowers, man.
She feel bionic.
Superpowers.
That's how most people are drunk still. Me know what help hangover for you? What you think are the easiest, the quickest way to sober up for you?
Usually do like spicy food.
Oh.
But more sober up, like something pepper, something well pepper.
Me know an instant hangover repair. No care how you're drunk, you can instantly come back.
What, vomit?
No.
What?
Lost your phone.
So sober, same time.
I know that.
Same time.
Drunk like Batty, no.
Yeah,
I'm go
man.
so.
I not feel your phone. Yo.
Yo, you see so.
Yo, I'm on find my phone, you know.
Yo, me no care how drunk a man be, man.
Yeah, man.
Or a girl be. You see, once you start seeing so, I don't feel your phone.
Yeah, man.
You ever watch the That's So Raven? Brother.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You have to find that now. And it's the drunk trying to find back your phone.
When the phone they're right in front of you.
Oh Lord, man. The phone in the pocket. You just never feel the right pocket.
Yeah.
You know
The phone literally in your pocket.
Yo, dog, we have to go back. Yo, we have to turn back. We have to turn back, dog. I left my phone. I left my phone in the thing, dog. Yo, you ever lost your phone while having your phone? And realized that you had it and had to pretend that.
I know that. me lost my phone already. And I use the flashlight from my phone to look for my phone. Yeah. Me lost my phone already and I turn on the flashlight from my phone. I know that.
Dog.
All of my friends them a look for your phone with me.
Like idiot.
All of we a look for your phone. Well on there, yo, we can't find the phone. We can't find Elliott phone.
Yo, I don't know where that there, you know.
No, we can't find it, you know. Me and man say, but wait, hold on.
So what Ufa phone that you use?
So Ufa phone that you use, look for your phone. Damn.
Got him.
Damn, shame I kill me.
Yeah, man. Enough time, I will lose all my phone and find it back in the dumbest place and have to pretend, say.
Can't even tell nobody.
I can't even tell nobody, say, I guess somebody did find it. Like, it didn't have a pocket. It didn't have a pocket. This whole time it was in my pocket. Maybe in one of the extra cargo pants pockets. And now, I go back into the car. And when I go into the car, I realize, oh, Raz, it's in my pocket. So now it's in the car. Now it was in the car.
Yeah, and guess what? I know you make everybody late.
Yeah, everybody late.
So you can't make nobody know say they have it all along.
Yeah. So, yeah, man, it dropped down in the
You know, some just find it down in the side.
Yeah,
right
dropping
so.
on the side of the thing. I don't say they dropped down the man. No, it was in my pocket the entire time.
Brother, one of the quick way out to deal with hangover. Dog, me and my brethren, I come off at the road one day. You know what's funny?
No.
In my drive, me not drink, you know.
Yeah.
I my drink all night and I'm telling man, say, yo, dog, make me drive. Man, I say, yo, I'm my car, and me make the payments, me good. Brother, you hear me say me good. So me know, so me I say, everything all right.
Yeah.
Brother, whole time the man I drive, we only live 10 minutes. So me I say, all right, we're going to reach home. Only live 10 minutes. So me I say, all right, we'll fight it through to 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Reach pan 101 and police pull me.
Judge, take time.
I kid you not. When police stop the man, when the man start out to the police, I am wondering who is beside me.
What you mean?
This could not be the same man. The man have a whole different accent. The man look like him never drink ever. Me see man just go so and just put him in a glove compartment and put on in glasses.
Different character.
But when the man put on in glasses, it's like the man I say, it's about to go down.
I say, watch this. Watch our style there.
Man say, have you been drinking anything today? I said, no, officer, I don't drink. I'm not a drinker like that. Dead serious.
Wow.
Man drunk like a bat.
I don't really drink like that, officer. No.
Brother, the man take off the man glasses, the policeman says, I'm shining light in my man eye. Man say, why are you doing that, officer? And the man never get no ticket, no nothing. It was a regular spot check. I check to see if him have thing there. As the man drive off, the man drunk again.
Just, hey, I talk to police and they better sober up in the dark.
See, it's a sober fast.
No.
Time drunk, but time no fool.
Time no fool. You see me? Yeah, man, them thing there. Yeah, man, certain things will sober you up fast, man.
A man don't understand, like, you see, at Jamaica, my youth, at Jamaica, I don't feel like a DUI, one, please.
Don't drink and drive. Please.
Don't drink and drive. Me know a whole heap of people will lose them life like that. I know a whole heap of people will lose them life because people drink and drive.
That's almost dying is also very sobering. That will... Yeah,
very.
Yeah, man. Drunk or almost crash or almost something, and you know in your heart, say you're a fault.
Say because
you're drunk right now.
No, you know, so the rest of the drive go home easy.
easy and quiet, you know, cause not even radio turn on now.
Because now you have to focus.
Now you have to,
Because now you
no.
start thinking about all of your life decisions, them, but how this can affect anybody. If
and look
like,
how you nearly dash your whole life. You might have to stop drink.
Exactly. So yeah, do that. Enough people, my youth, you want all a drive and all a drop asleep. Drive and a drop asleep and all. Cause one time I drive from Florida come to California. I drive from Florida come to California. I drive
You've done that drive?
twice. Second time with a crackhead. Yeah, with one of my father bridging them. Crackhead though. Big up to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So how we used to do it when me asleep, him drive. When me drive, him asleep. And Tia drive, brother, I'm just here. I want blood now, cane feel we now. One cane feel we now, where I was run over some cane field in Texas, like lick off the whole side.
Yo, that's the worst thing, you know, the drop asleep and drive.
Brother, we get sober. Yo, you see. After
Fast. Yeah, man.
So by the time you book all the music.
Yeah, man. Loud. So you can't even drop asleep. You see me? Turn it up.
I want fight you can't win, yeah?
Yeah, sleep. Yeah, man. Sleep, I go catch you, man.
Yes, sleep.
Sleep, I go catch you. Sleep, I go fully catch you.
Me know people drop asleep anytime.
I used to be. I'm still kind of that person.
You are that. You are definitely
I'm still
that.
kind of that person.
How you do that? Explain that to me. How you just drop asleep with nothing? Just drop asleep.
Just go sleep, Reggie. just, bro, we're not gonna sleep right. That's it. Yo, me I sleep cool, dog. Me not afraid of sleep. We sleep. Yeah, we sleep, man.
So you're with us there, so sit down right now.
Brother, let me kill this right there, man. I mean, you see, if you see me go so, it's over. If me say so, brother, yeah, this all perfect. I'm gonna go sleep just like this right there, sir.
So that not affect your back and everything, then, might?
It might. That's a problem for when I wake up. You know? Sometimes you need to sleep. Sometimes you need to sleep.
Me feel like 5 hours of sleep good enough. 5-6 hours of sleep good.
I think 5-6 hours of sleep makes you functional, but I feel like 7 is like my lucky number there.
You know, long me not have like a good sleep.
Like a good 8 hours.
No, I'm not talking about the time. I'm talking about sleep.
Just like a deep sleep.
Just like one of them blackout.
I mean, have you ever like intentionally tried to have one of those? See, you look like you're all asleep right now.
No. Intentionally, if me I go do that, me have to have like NyQuil.
Have you tried like blackout curtains and all of them something?
No, I don't want no darkness when me asleep. Me like
that's probably why you're not sleeping.
No, me like when the sun wake me.
No, well, okay, I understand that. But what about like
No, you just make me a yarn on the wall, please. No,
talk about sleep.
No, I got the yarn everywhere.
But no man, so okay. What is your, because I also get poor sleep, to be fair. But what is your sleep ritual like?
For me, me I go sleep. First, me have to use the bathroom. So me have to sit up on the bathroom toilet at least 20-25 minutes just sitting there doing nothing, you know.
Just
not even I use the bathroom.
Just
yeah. Me don't know that.
Yo, there's something I don't think men talk about this enough, and I honestly don't feel like we should.
Yeah.
But there is something, the bathroom is like
heaven.
It's heaven, you know, bro. It's like there's something about the bathroom where say nobody now gonna bother you, yes, sir. You know what I mean? Like, all if somebody walk in your house right now, it's like me in the bathroom, so you have to.
You just wait.
You just wait. If me I take an hour in the bathroom,
you
have to just wait. Oh, you can't vex come in the bathroom.
Brother, something I don't know. I just like going to the bathroom, just sit down on the toilet, not doing nothing. Just leave not use the bathroom, just sit down on the toilet.
So you have like a meditation
Toilet.
vibes on the toilet.
Toilet, me just scroll, IG, TikTok, bathroom. You know, read a couple comments, them little thing there.
Yeah.
And then me bed. Go in there, me well I bed. After my bed now, me put on one sweatpants.
Yeah.
Well, you know me.
Yeah, use a sweatpants. Use a sweatpants
person. And put on like a nice little pants, no shirt. Then me would have put my TV for infographics.
You watch infographics?
I have to. I have.
That's such a.
I have to fall asleep.
That feels so like ingrained from a earlier time.
I've been watching infographics at night for like 5 years now.
Yeah,
probably.
Okay. Infographics like what?
So people, infographics is a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
And it would tell us something like,
one of my favorite YouTube channels also.
What would happen if US and China would go to war? And the US has a tanker, M1 Abrams. The M1 Abrams is the best. No, China has a lot more.
Them have all the little cartoon people.
All the cartoon people. Here is 50 ways to die if you wanted to.
So what about this?
Crazy.
But that's not even as crazy as our next guy. This guy.
That is exactly
I love infographics.
Me have infographics I run.
Yeah.
Before me drop asleep. And normally like about 3 hours in my sleep, me da like wake up a little bit. Because me I go hear probably like a Jordan Peterson I do some damn speech or
something very
inspirational madness.
Somebody cut 15 hours of Jordan Peterson
just
speech together,
run,
just ranted, and that's why you have to walk up with your struggle.
Hold up your stress.
That's essentially hold up your stress.
Yeah.
Jordan Peterson said it 3 years ago.
7 million times. Hold your stress. Wear your stress by you.
Yeah, man, fully. But there is truth to that hold up your stress, you know.
You can't let it go.
There's truth to that.
You have to hold up your stress, brother. No matter where I go through, your stress have to.
Yeah, I mean.
You have to prove to your stress and me stronger than you.
Yeah. And me, I carry you, no, you carry me.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? And me, I carry the stress not carry me. And the stress I carry is not a problem, you know.
Brother, when we learn why people stress, our ambition we have, you know.
Yeah. Stress is you knowing, say it's supposed to
do something
and do something better.
Or you have something that come up. But stress, I swear to you, hey! Shut up! I said, people want cricket wrong here, you see, man. Just a make. Knock it. Him would not. Everybody just see a height a while ago.
Under the blood clot stairs like Harry Potter.
Everybody just see. Everybody just see. Say your shot.
Cut that.
I will not cut that out.
Can't reveal my height yet, bro.
Nah, we'll keep it.
Nah, bro. You see me?
But you look short though.
Yeah, I know.
Nobody's not really intentionally.
Yeah, nobody's like, he looks like he's 6.
Yeah, like what, 5, 6?
5'8".
5'8".
Bro.
You're not 5'8".
I am.
You're not 5'8".
I am.
I work with it.
Bro, you know my shoes? Yeah, you see me?
Man wear size what? 17. Man wear size 17 and a 5. Crooks, you have 5'4".
Comments, what do you think? Comments.
Crooks is 5'4".
Guess my height in the comments, please. I would love to. I would love to see these guesses.
All right, people, guess my height as well. People normally think me taller than me actually is.
Yeah, I thought you were taller than you were before I met you.
Most people do that.
I was like, oh, okay.
It's not as tall as me think him is.
Yeah, but typical tracks, brother. I feel like.
Yeah,
you know what I mean.
Most, yeah. Me not taller enough people.
Yeah.
Me just, but me pass the part when nobody cares and me shot.
Say what, like 5'10"?
Yeah.
Okay, so that kind of count. That kind of count. You're not in the 6 foot realm, but you know.
Me are the perfect height for fight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
True. That's why you like pick
Tall people can't beat me up.
You convince.
No.
I'd love to see you
6'3"
in like
and over cannot beat me.
I feel like we need to see
6'3".
I feel like we need to see you in a
boxing match.
A boxing match with a tall person to validate this.
Brother, me not think a 6'3" and up you can't beat me. You can't beat me up.
Too lengthy. There's too much time in between.
Yeah. And maybe a 6'3" man can fix me.
That sounded crazy. Wow. Wow. Wow.
No. No.
Wow.
Yeah, no.
Wild.
All right, you got me. When me say fix though, I mean fight. Fight.
Yeah, but
damn. I move it up to 6'5".
Yeah.
6'5".
Okay.
Because 6'3" you still can maneuver, you know. But 6'5", you're too tall now.
Yeah. I feel like honestly, I know especially relationship wise, there's like this thing about tall people. But I feel like after 6'3" is diminishing returns, you know. Like, you ever see tall people take a bus?
Tall people talk slow.
Them talk, cause them the voice of a reach from way up so. You ever see tall people like take a bus and try to like walk into a regular?
Just I try like be normal.
Just trying to be normal, yeah, walking and you have to duck on that door and. No, bro.
I'm actually happy. I wouldn't do nothing to my height. I wouldn't make myself taller or shorter.
I'm just glad I'm not my mom's height. My mom is 4'11". Thank God for my pops, car.
Your father taller?
Yeah, my father's 6 foot.
So him actually.
So he's the one that saved me.
You're so lucky.
He saved me height wise.
My mother and father tall.
Yeah. Okay.
No, short.
Okay.
My taller, my mother and father.
Really?
Yeah.
So
my father like 5'7".
Okay, so you got really lucky.
I think the reason why I end up grew up past the two of them are because of sports.
Think so?
Yeah. Cause at a certain point, I need them. Did always hurt me.
Yeah.
Let me get like a wicked growth spurt. In the last half.
Okay. That's a good part there.
Yeah, in the last like a part for just.
It does. Yeah, get that extra.
Yeah, cause now I can look down for my father. So yo, a little youth. My father had a son tall, my brother.
Yeah.
Him tall. He might like 6'1".
Oh wow. That's crazy.
DNA.
The DNA.
I have to check it DNA. I have to make sure DNA real. But,
You know
a thought in my mind what they dog?
What?
Where do clothes go when you lost them?
When you lost them?
Because you ever like, I look through some picture and see yourself in a shirt and be like,
what happened to that shirt then?
Where that shirt at?
Bro, so I'm finding out, bro, some of my friend them thief some of my clothes them still, you know, some just I find it out later on in life now.
You wanna wear your clothes them?
Wear my clothes there. People have my clothes, bro. I thought I just lose it. Some people are, bro, me have a jacket. Similar to this one, but it was like more leathery. It was like a Calvin Klein jacket. Man, I look for the jacket. Years, me just leg off it. Bro, I go see my ex at one party in a me jacket, brethren.
But her ex, she probably just take that from long time.
But she didn't know something I look for it too.
Oh, she probably find it.
She probably find it and just not say nothing.
Yeah, why she?
Why would she say anything? Because I know why you're nothing from her.
She not call her.
And if she call me, not answer. So, but I never get it back. To be fair.
So you just never ever get back that jacket?
No. And me see her night, and no, me even not gonna ask her feet now.
Me have brethren will lend me them jacket, and them never get it back.
That gone, just gone forever.
Like me link them, yo dog, outside cold, you know. Yo, you know the jacket, you know, me can put on. Yeah, man, see a jeans jacket, yeah, mine.
Gone. Oh, this bad man. Man, over.
Never getting it back.
When I gonna bring that back?
Yo, me left it in the car, you know. You don't see it.
Gone.
But clothes have a specific thing, though. Like, me will have a shirt, dog, and me no outgrow it. Me no nothing. But me just not see it no more.
Yeah, just
like is there a clothes? There has to be like a clothes thief.
There
me not know about. All right. Hold on, we're gonna go back to the video. But I am here to tell you that this year I am doing a Live Nation Son of an Immigrant tour, and I will be starting in Europe. As you can see, these are the European dates that I have so far, and more will be added. Now, Son of an Immigrant tour is not just locked into Europe alone. I will also be in Canada. I will also be in the US. I will also be in the Caribbean. If you don't see your country, you know, don't worry yourself. Just go to Daleelliottjr.com to sign up to request your city. Because trust me, there is so much more dates to be added. But for now, if you're in Europe, London, Netherlands, Belgium, Germany, all of them countries where I see, just go to Daleelliottjr.com, buy your ticket, because this tour is different. This is not Problem Child. This is not Live from London. This is Son of an Immigrant. So, trust me, this is not gonna normal. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Go on back and watch the video. I'm done.
There used to be there's an old episode of South Park named The Underwear Gnomes, you know, where they used to thief underwear. And that was a part of them plan for world domination.
But the thing is, Brief never missing before though.
Brief never missing. Brief could have tear from now till a morning.
I can find it back.
It dead. You could have throw it where? And for some reason, it end up back.
Brief always I go find back itself now. But you see, shirt.
Yeah, man. You know,
shirt.
You know who famous for missing too? The 1 foot of socks. 1 foot of socks. It's never the pair, you know. You never lose a pair. It's always 1 foot of socks disappear somewhere.
You think of that missing?
What? A chopstick. Brother, me have about 5 at the yard. I don't know when none of them there, you know.
Brother, let me tell you something.
Me have 5 at the yard. I don't know when none of them there.
Mankind, let me tell you something. You see, a chopstick, a lip balm, whatever you want to call it. I cannot seem to keep these. A 3-pack of them I'm buying.
Packs.
Pack.
Yeah, man.
And what me also hope me last them are places where it can conveniently show up back.
Yeah.
That's not.
So I feel like it always shows up back at the moment when you don't really need it.
When you have one in your pocket
you
already.
have one already, and then you look for something else, and you're like, oh, see the 9 of them, yeah? You saw them there this whole time?
Tell you how me normally find mine them. Me we all I watch TV and the dryer on, I'm just like here.
Oh Lord, man.
I say, what is it in the dryer? I'm look 75 lip balm.
Yeah, man. Yo, you ever get the lip balm and it completely melt out of the dryer like it?
When it's so
like it flow back and then cool back.
I'm a bill it back. Yeah, me not dash a lip balm, I'm a bill it back.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. If lip balm melt too much, say, all right, me know what I gotta do. When we get it melt up, just put it in the freezer.
Oh, really? I normally like push it all the way out and then press it into the
bill it back.
Yeah, man. And then just come back like, yeah, man, good to go.
Mess up on my cousin them one time. They should have a lip balm and put candle in it.
Why did you do that though?
Because for some reason me use a lip balm. I mean, I say, but this look like candle, you know.
Yeah, it's kind of.
I me clear it out.
Yeah.
And just pour candle wax in it.
I feel like
I just pour candle wax in a lip balm.
So imagine now they are trying to use your lip balm and it's literal candle.
Me get one of my cousin them bleach for drink.
Wax. Why are you so terrible?
No, because I always drink out my things.
So drink this then.
No.
Since you want to drink.
Brother, me always would carry me coming from school and me carry juice. So that brother, something about a black household where somebody
Juice.
drinking your juice.
Juice, I go.
Brother, it's like
Juice, I go.
it's like when you pull your fridge, if you put on a juice, I ain't live by yourself. Somebody I drink the juice.
So I noticed this watching black people of all creeds drink juice, right? We have a style. Open the fridge, pour the juice. We take a sip.
And then we pour more juice.
Top up more in there and then put it back.
Yeah.
Why we stay so? Me do it too. But why we stay so?
Me put my mouth on it. What else? All right, this is good.
Man.
14. You know what me used to do, brother?
What?
When me had done it, me top it up with water.
Just stretch it a little bit.
Yeah, throw back water in it. Me I take the juice, you know. But anything we left, we put water in it. So it don't look no way.
So I never just empty it. Can now you the one that empty it, right?
No, me don't want to be the one to finish it. Everybody from Jamaica know that you do that. We don't want to be the one. Brother, let me tell you something. You see, me, any pot, I could have rice in it or chicken in it. Me I left, brother, I prefer left one piece of chicken bone.
And you know the funny thing?
So me I left it for somebody.
I agree with that because I am also the person that would, cause me would I go back feet. You see me? If I want drink a juice in there, me go back for that.
Oh, me not go back feet.
Me, I would go back feet, given the, depending on
How
the
much
situation.
people you used to live with?
6.
All right, let me tell you how much people me used to live with.
Mm-hmm.
$13.
But if I say it look like you need a next hand.
13.
Yeah, juice now survive.
One, hey, let me tell you something. You see, when one bread buy,
Oh God, man.
when one bread buy, no, there's no say a one day. No?
Yeah, that's
If
over.
everybody
Immediately.
decides to them want,
Like
brother,
a 2 slice of bread, it's
brother,
done.
my household was all about ownership.
Mm-hmm.
And my last cut
my
this.
bread.
And my last cut this, put my last cut right here, so. And my bread this, put my bread. Brother, we were so territorial.
Yeah, man. Yo, nobody not touch my, nobody not touch my sardine in a bread chip.
Brother, we used to write with name pan things in our fridge.
That never helps.
Never.
Nobody cares if
I was a big food thief in culprit, you know. Me, anything when me sit in our fridge,
a fair game.
a fair game.
Judge.
Come here, I take it to them and I go up on the road go ramp. so by the time I reach in, them done cuss and everything.
Yeah, everything done cool down already.
You know, hear me cousin them say, HAUG, your grandson, name off the one of my cornflakes. Okay. Me already eat it already, you know.
Mm-hmm. We are going to do about it. Yeah,
We
just
are
go get more cornflakes.
Well, you know, I just buy more cornflakes.
Not a choice, not an option. And by the time you reach back, everybody done.
Especially when name brand cornflakes in the house.
Oh, Lord, man.
Because just red and white cornflakes was our thing, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Name brand cornflakes.
Sunshine.
Brother, the sunshine one them. That's how my cornflakes.
Yeah.
Name brand cornflakes and last no time, brother. Mad. And when barrel come and them carry the little frosty like
Oh, yeah, man.
frosted honey bunches of oats and frosted flakes
Lord,
and all.
man.
Seconds.
Immediately.
Seconds.
Immediately. Judge. Oh,
Seconds. Let me
man.
say so and get me a little evaporated milk. I mix some sugar and all that, you see. Drop the cat. Oh Lord. You know evaporated milk.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep.
Evaporated milk and condensed
Evap milk and frosted flakes is the goat
Brother,
still.
You ever eat condensed milk and white bread?
Yo. So tell you about my experience with condensed milk and white bread.
You see, condensed milk and white bread, brother.
So I watch So I was not hip to it for the longest time. I used to watch the Betty Milk commercials and see people pour condensed milk on the bread. And I'd look at it and go, who is doing that? Right? Me look at it and I go, who would do that for real? Like, why you condensed milk and bread? Brother, my father bring home a Captain's Bakery bread one day, see, man. I'm going to say, you know what? Me I go try it. Peace. I don't know who will show me that.
I feel like them thief style, you don't want to see nobody else do it.
Brother, I don't even want to see nobody do it. Take it off for the commercial.
Don't, too much people
Too much people are going to know about this, bro. The Betty milk's too expensive.
Condensed milk.
Condensed
and white
milk
bread.
and white bread, bro, with the captain's. I don't make it all warm to you, man.
I know, say, since me get old, I realize that I can add up things. Add up like bread and them thing there. Remember I used to do, I don't have the microwave on my yard, brother.
No, I never have a microwave. I never have a microwave early on them time there still. But, you know, when you buy a fresh Captain's Bakery bread, like it just come from, and the bag all kind of sweat a little bit.
Honest to God,
Yeah.
bread no last so long.
Oh.
Bread on my yard. Bread on my yard accounted for by the gate.
It reached like half the bread gone by the time.
By the gate. If everybody have to get 2 slices, imagine, all right, all of my cousins, I could just count my cousins them alone.
Yeah.
1, 2, me, 6. That's a 12 slices of bread.
Yeah. The bread done. that's the
12 slices of bread allocated to the children
that's
first.
all bread. And Jamaica no cut.
And when people
no
are
little
spend
bread neither.
holiday, if people are going to spend holiday, that I'm extra 2 other cousins. So about 8 with that. 16 slices of bread gone.
Immediately.
We don't talk about bread bucket.
No. And I don't feel like you can get 16.
I don't even know. Yo, how
Cut
much
out of
slices
one
come in our bread?
We don't even know. Jamaican people cut bread too, you know. Yeah, a Jamaican slice of bread different, you know.
You ever buy a quarter bread?
Yep. Quarter bread and half a bread, man. Go around the shop around the corner, man.
Quarter bread. Me used to buy a special, a breakfast special. A breakfast special was 1 egg, a quarter of bread, and a bag of oil.
To make a nice like, egg sandwich.
Breakfast special. Name.
No, I never buy one of them there yet.
That was like that in itself was like $30 or something like that.
All right. Maybe the comments can help too. Maybe you can explain what this is. This is something that I've accepted as a Jamaican. But what is a jill?
All right.
When you buy a jilla aisle, what is a jill?
A jill, I will keep the aisle.
Why is that called a jill?
Because the aisle used to name Jill. Jilla aisle, a big Jilla aisle.
Like that was the brand of oil? Okay. Come used to wonder why.
Yeah, big Jilla aisle.
Okay, cause I was like, yo, just man, get like a Jilla aisle. I was like, a Jill? What is a Jill?
Brother.
Not a buckle? Is a Jill?
Brother, me don't know who invent like scrambled egg. Scrambled eggs really stretch egg, you know that?
Fully.
Scrambled egg stretch egg.
When you realize, for some reason, I feel like a scrambled egg is more egg than a boiled egg.
I have 7 egg in one scrambled egg.
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
I got to show you how to do that. Me tell you, the chicken can't escape, you know that.
Yo, chicken, a judgment for the chicken, then, man. Brother, the fact that one day I make some fried chicken, dog, and I was like, you see when I cut up the chicken and coat the chicken in the egg for putting in the flour, put it in the egg, I'm like, yo, wickedness this still, you know?
Brother, we go as far as we eat the baby for the chicken, you know?
We put the adult in the baby blood.
Brother, just think about it that way. When we go buy vegetable fried rice, you know, we get egg in it.
Egg in it. We care so little about it. That might as well be vegetable bread.
Yeah, at this point.
Yeah, like.
At this point, brother, I see man, I tell me, say, yo, yeah, man, strictly, we're done with meat, strictly meat.
Yeah, man.
And I say, yeah, man,
just the egg and cheese.
Just drink some raw egg in the morning.
Yo, brother. Brother, that no vegan too, you know. No, man, I don't meat that.
I don't meat that.
You know, a liquid that, man, you know. That's like.
That's a different type of style.
Different thing that, man.
We nah got too extra with that.
Milk no count as meat, virgin.
No.
You see me? Cheese and not meat. You know, you forgot easy pan the dairy still, you know, but you see me? Cheese and egg are different sitting, man. I burn out the red meat.
But you know that big man thing, me still hold on to certain dairy me not think me can stop. Me not have to eat cheese.
I have to have cheese. I can Lego milk before I Lego cheese.
No. Can't Lego milk.
I could Lego milk.
No,
right,
me start
right
by various type of milk. Me
What
because
is your-
now me know me not supposed to eat. No, me know. Me
You're
know
fully-
now, me not fi drink milk.
So now you're like
No.
a milk connoisseur.
Yeah, no, me I try every kind of milk. So me try goat milk.
What do you think? What do you think about goat milk?
It just tastes like milk.
I feel like it tastes a little bit sweeter than regular milk.
Yeah. Me not like me try goat milk, me try oat milk.
I don't like oat milk.
I don't know what the hell is oat milk. Fight me, I don't like almond milk.
Neither.
Almond milk is disgusting.
To me, every milk that's not.
It's not milk. It's don't do that.
So I feel like soy milk probably was the closest, but I don't even think it's the closest. I think I'm just used to it over the years.
And I count Lasco as milk. I don't care what you say.
milk
Lasco
powder
is
milk. Lasco is a milk. Yeah,
Lasco is milk.
yeah, absolutely. Lasco is milk.
But
You know,
me like the little zero lactate.
I like lactate.
It's still milk, right?
Yeah, yeah, just without the milk
Lactose.
sugar, which is the lactose.
So cause of that, I'm me intolerant of, you know.
Yeah,
So me I try to stop that now. Cause I'm tolerant of it. So
you've been tolerating it, but you are intolerant. of
yeah, yeah. Me allergic to all heap of things, you know, but refuse to stop, you know.
it. What are you allergic
Me
to?
allergic to shrimp.
Really?
Me allergic to all shellfish.
Do you know that means that you're also allergic to insects?
What kind of insect?
Because shrimp count as an insect. Technically,
What kind of insect though?
any kind of insect.
Ants bite me all the time.
I mean, does your skin whale up when ants bite you? Like
Yeah,
extra?
But, yeah, no, not extra, but you know, you get the red.
Yeah. If you were to eat an ant, you would have the same reaction.
Why would I eat ants?
Maybe you're stuck in a jungle and need to survive. I don't know.
I'm just I wonder why would I? Me eat ants already, no, because no, it never do me nothing. Me nah dash on my food, ready. If ants take up my food, me I name it. Me eat ants regular.
Bro say, why would I ever eat ants? No, me eat ants still, but why would I?
No, because now me I look for it. You never yet like, you never yet left a plate of food and ants
man,
take it
ants
up.
are- yeah.
I'm determined, say yo. No,
Yeah.
me nah dash this way. Me
nah,
I
yeah.
eat them ants here.
Yeah, for sure.
And it nah do me nothing too.
For sure. Yeah, man. Extra protein.
Because me nah
nah
go
kill
put
me.
on my food and ants feel like it I go have my dinner.
Yeah,
and
man.
me
Me
not
just
eat
now look. You see me? Or me brawling with it sometimes.
Sometimes I try
Cornflakes.
box off. Sometimes I try box off cover, but and brother, my red and white cornflakes full of ants, brother. Ants them in there swim round. No.
Brother,
No.
sometimes, one time I poured some cornflakes and say ants in there, bro, and I try. I'll sieve them out.
Yeah.
I try to sieve them out.
Shit, the cornflakes bag.
Yeah.
Because me I gonna name them.
Yeah. You know,
Yeah. Watch
Anything,
Ant
anything.
Kingdom. Them can't do nothing.
what am I going to do? You know what I mean?
Call him friend them.
Bro, a water droplet, take them out. You know what I mean?
Brother. Me dash them, me name them.
Do you know that there's like 12 million ants to each person on the planet?
So we're outnumbered.
Absolutely. If ants had intelligence and wanted to kill us, they could absolutely kill us.
No. You know why? Because one big stone killed 12 million of them.
Probably not the 12 million, but a
Well,
couple.
kill 100,000 of them.
You feel like you could have fight 12 million ants?
Right now, me take on all of them.
You know how much 12 million ants is, Richard?
Brother, 12 million ants can. One ants not faster than me.
It's not faster
So
than
me
you.
can run.
But
and
they
but
can
it-
swarm you.
Yeah, but say me I run and at the same time now me I throw things behind me like. You know what
Like
ants
fire
me-
and them something. Yeah, true.
Brother, I just kill multiple pieces of ants. Me get in our car, it's over.
Yeah, true.
Come here, run over all
We
them.
have tools. This is
Exactly, we
true.
have tools. Me can't fight 12 million ants. None of them are gonna take me over.
Yeah, well, them can swarm you and... Is it me?
That now do me nothing. Me don't worry about small insects.
No. Bro,
No,
some of them are the most dangerous. The tiny things as well.
Yeah.
Especially in the,
When
in
me
the
young, I used
jungles.
to mess with like wasp nest.
That's
Yeah,
very dangerous.
Yeah, like wasp nest used to always under like my house.
Yeah.
And me would like try like slap it with a stick and run.
Try outrun the wasp them.
No, anybody with there in that era there when me slap it with a stick, God go with you, God go with you. Irvin used to have a wasp nest right time. Irvinator.
Irvin can't get no justice.
Yeah, we used to call him the Irvinator.
Yeah.
Irvinator!
The Irvinator.
Yeah, we said Irvinator's coming.
Cha-cha.
Irvinator.
Irvin can't get no peace.
Brother Irvin used to have a wasnness right time doorway.
Mm.
Link some big stone under the wasness, brother, so was can come out.
Jaja.
They would have terrorized Irvin. Irvin come with beer, wheel pan him. I said, John, whenever me cause that still I was them.
No man, that was Alton Dean.
Alton Dean. Hey, people don't love me, realize people that love Alton Dean, you know. People, so people start saying me like, say Alton Dean is like a Canadian American musician.
There's a musician
like me never know like somebody named Alton Dean.
A Canadian American musician.
Mm-hmm.
So now we have to look up Alton Dean music.
Yo, go tell me, somebody tell me an Alton Dean song.
Yeah, make we know. People them say you need Alton Dean merch.
As I need to get Alton Dean merch.
Yo, I need a t-shirt that say Alton Dean, man. Yo,
I know that. Me buy it now. Me go build Alton Dean merch and watch how none of them no buy it.
Nobody know.
Me say, hey, Jamaican people are gonna boost it up.
Yo, dog, you need to sell the merch, bro. Yo, we need an Alton Dean shirt and that right now, you know.
I say, yo, me nah gonna tell you again if you do that in my
Yeah, man. And then you do it, and then absolutely nothing happens.
Nobody buy it.
No, you just got 300 Alton Dean shirts and nothing to do with
No,
it.
what me I gonna do? Wear an Alton Dean shirt every day.
Every time. Just, you see me? Alton Dean. That could be a brand name still, you know.
Alton Dean sound like a name brand.
Yeah, it look like it.
You see me shoes, youth? Alton Dean.
Yeah, man, Alton Dean, listen. Alton Dean sounds like a big man workwear. Like them sell pants,
Yeah, like
button
them
up
wear
shirt,
like them wear
loafers,
Alton
Oxfords, you know what I mean?
like Aldo.
Yeah, like a Aldo.
Like Alton Dean.
Aldo sound like it could be Alton Dean. Low key.
So you see what I'm wearing? I'm wearing some Alton
Yeah, man,
Deans.
full leather Alton Deans. This is a 1985 Alton Dean, you know, bro. Them one, you know, yeah, man, I thrift this, you know, bad, you know.
The Irvinator.
Yeah, man.
Irvinator!
It's the Irvinator. Poor Irvin. I feel like Irvin.
Where I run from him. Irvinator! Irvin start run with them. Irvinator!
Poor Irvin. I feel bad for Irvin, star. If him did have a
If him did, could I just... You see for the in the 70s?
cheese and peace, man.
See for the in the 70s, brother?
Get a piece up.
Tambran whipping on, not tambourine.
Tambran.
But that's a eat tambourine.
Jano.
Tambourine used to sour in a dog.
I love the rebranding that I feel like Jamaica gave tambourine with like tambourine ball. Raw
All the ball
tambourine.
them.
Yeah, raw tambourine just sour.
Me used to like how it do right there, so.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. Twist up your jaw. But the tambourine ball them. Fair.
I mean, I said that because me have the
Fair.
wires of wine. Me have the wires of wine that episode there.
But fair.
Just a
But
check.
fair. Yeah.
So I check.
Sit down on there. Yeah, fair.
So after I twist up your jaw, what happened?
No. Saying the ball them twist up your jaw is crazy.
Yeah, so when,
No, but when them start to the sugar,
mm-hmm.
crazy. I was like, yeah, this is how this should have been the entire time.
Instead of twist up my jaw.
Instead I twist up my jaw.
Yeah, man.
At least whenever I need a 6-3, man, I fix me enough. Oh.
I'm telling you the biggest why me ever have.
Oh.
The biggest why me ever have. When me want to take back that talk so much. Bush would have gone to the past. I stop myself.
Don't say that.
Brother, what day I go through the fridge in the office
Mm-hmm.
and bridging forward, him in the fridge too. So it something drop out.
Mm-hmm.
Something drop on the ground. So the dog have some food in the fridge, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And I take the food out of the fridge and it drop on the ground.
Yeah.
So when the man drop on the ground, you know, dog. When it drop on the ground, I say, yo, yeah, that shit where?
Mm-hmm.
But it frozen. So I say, yo,
Yeah.
yeah, that shit. He must say, yeah, man, that shit can drop on the ground. So I look at him and I say, brother, anyone did me? When me done pick it up, brush it off, I'll fling it back. No, me say when me done blow up on it, I'll push it. Yeah.
It's not getting
Brother.
any better. It's not getting any better.
Brother, me say, when me done fling some water on it and throw it back.
Fling water upon it and throw it back.
Yeah.
Wow. Dog said, make it swear.
Yo, because me did that seriously. I say, yo, yeah, you
got dash for that?
I say, yeah, you dash that, man.
Bro,
When me done throw some water on it, I'll fling it back.
When you done do what?
Dog, man turn to the man and say, yo, what you say you done do? Yeah, that have to be the most.
Oh, man.
That's the most legendary why moment. Me not think me ever said nothing
Crazy.
wire than that before.
Boy, it's so difficult. It's so difficult to be a Jamaican sometimes. I just say the things that you want to say.
Brother, me tell you, say, what day my father make the wise talk me ever hear. What day the man I talk, but like my father always say, yo, he might always have people who mess him over. So you know like how American people would say, yo, brother, like him F me over. So my father say, yo, me tired of them brother there, man. Them always a F me over, man. Boy, him F me some way, see, man. Let me tell you some way him F me.
Me no want to know how. No.
I say, yo, that boy there F me some way, and I say, yo, daddy, hold on, slow down.
Some way.
What kind of way my F you? Make me know, be honest with me now. You still my father.
Yeah, it's all love still, you know, but what you mean?
Come.
What you mean? If you're some weird.
Brother, I'm telling you that the man them did I say, oh, the Y segment them?
Yeah. Oh, if you bring back the Y segment them. That's true.
So bring back the Y segment them.
So I've been listening to a lot of like 90s dancehall. And I mean, I haven't heard like a lot of Y stuff, but you know, some lyrics will just never age well. You know, well, glamity, whoa, it have to tie me. It have to catch me. It's like, no, Bridget, you know that.
Let me say, I need to catch it.
If I that, give me it. That's crazy.
So, yeah, I just ate yeah. All right.
Yeah, man. My girl, you look good. Stay away still, you know. Yeah, man. If I that you have, you know. You forgot, give me that, you know. Bro, that's crazy. That's a wild thing to say.
Bear in mind, back in them days, the man now use condom, you know.
Condom. I feel like no man had. Bujo the first artist me hear sing about condom. No, Bujo and Frisco Kid are the only artists me hear sing about rubbers, you know. Them time there.
Jacqueline, the man who sing Jacqueline, I name
Frisco
Kid.
Kid,
Right?
yeah.
You want a joke
for Jacqueline, so me have to draw for my rubbers. And that it was that. And rude boy, don't be silly. Rubbers pan your willy. Heads a go round and we don't walk it. You know, that's like that.
Yeah, me hear that one there.
Bro, that was like a campaign. For a little while. Like, that was a full-on campaign. Like, I think he has like a foundation specifically for that now.
Stop it.
Yeah, for you know, protection and him something there.
I'm glad them started that though.
Same.
Cause man, the two, no, if I debt, I debt.
If I debt, I debt.
Was actually like a thing.
It was like, yo, if I that, you know,
They have to shoot me.
Yeah, man. And man get shot over it too.
Physically and mentally.
And mentally. You know what I mean?
Every kind of shot that you get.
So, the artist name was sing Bun for Bun.
But if I get bun,
then I get back bun. I know nothing that. Call it bun for bun, chew bun. I get that. All right. So, no bun, make him dead, man. Him dead,
Him did a gibbon or I get bun?
A gibbon. Well, kind of a mixture. I believe him did married.
So he was the bunner man.
Him was the bunner man. So him have a girl where, you know, like say she would have live up New York just for conversations.
Yeah.
Him would have book shows there so for go check her.
Yeah.
And you know, they might check her them there one motel, and the husband forward and done the three of them. The husband done the two of them and himself.
You see the thing with this bun thing now, to me not do that now.
What? Gibbon or
No,
kill
no.
for bun?
Well, me not give bun, but can't the way me say no.
It's
The way
like,
me
no,
say
yeah,
no.
yeah.
No,
Like,
like
no,
me
give
say-
on, no, Bun can get, but that was a setup for sure.
Yeah, you set me up. That definitely set me up. Me I talk about like if your woman like me not have no issue with the man.
Mhm.
Me nah try fight the man. I don't like that.
So
Some people say that until in the moment.
I used to think like that. I used to also agree with that. Like, yo, man, I have no problem with the dude. But I started to realize that sometime it's because of your girl, you know.
What you mean?
Sometimes them want get your girl a give you bun, and them a take your girl because it's your girl.
Oh, not even because they
Not
like
even
her.
because the girl hot or because of your girl. You see me like, yo, I forget one off a deal girl, you know. Just because it's deal girl.
Damn,
You have man out there would say so, bro.
I was one of them.
See?
I'm lying. See you get catch? I'm lying.
But if that's the case now, if me feel like say that I go on, I don't know, rage.
Jesus
If I feel like I do it because
Crooks basically make you know say if him catch her the woman, him fighting you.
no, not that.
Cause you know my woman.
Thank you. Yeah, so this feel malicious now. You see me? Like it's one thing if you buck her out a road.
Suppose him a like 6'3".
So fight it was
Ah, bro, I check.
so what for not fight him because
Him
6'3"?
too tall. Him too tall.
No. If I feel like you're maliciously looking, my girl, like you don't even at least care about her, Bridget.
You know, a man fight me over a girl when me never even want. When me never even have nothing with. Like
Yeah.
nothing. Me just there when me in a college, a man literally send me touch him girl and run me down and like fight me.
Wow.
Me
No,
beat
see
him
that
up
sound crazy. That sound. I mean, did you?
If me fight him back,
Yeah.
naturally.
Did you-
Naturally.
how did that fight turn out?
Ask him.
Imagine getting beat up for a girl, and the brother where you fight and beat you up, him never have nothing to do with the girl.
Me never want her, me never look her, me never nothing. Just one big misunderstanding. And you rush me feet.
Damn. Getting beat up for a misunderstanding gotta be crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta be crazy. You know, you have to be careful.
Shame will kill me. Imagine that.
Yeah, man.
Oh, God.
Yeah, man.
Shame will kill me.
You know, I did for him. I did for him and he beat me up. And you know, I'm gonna forget beat up still because I did wrong. But Jaja, bro. I mean, that's why you have to really think about it still. But that's why I say, if I feel like it malicious, because I'm not going to just react right away still. You know?
If you feel like you might do it on purpose.
Yeah, man. If I really meds it and to how everything play out, I feel like this malicious.
Me I go fight.
Yeah, me I go fight. Like if you book her one away and this is something we're hidden, you know, and I just discover it. Don't make me I'll introduce it to my girl. Like, yeah, look, my girl, Bridget. You see me I say? Like you know say I'm a girl, bro. Why you not do that?
You know me. You know say
You
me
know
and
me.
her together.
Why you not do that?
Fight.
Yeah, man. You violate.
We're fighting.
We're fighting, and me not fight for you neither. Well, I'm starting with a chair.
I'm not fighting your fear.
No, no.
Well, we get it out. We're fighting.
Yeah, man.
Thundercats are on the move.
And the Thundercats are loose.
That it say?
Crazy.
Thundercats are loose.
Thunder. You saw that?
No, you know, I see me see it. Thunder. That was like it started. I never always watch Thundercats.
Bro, Thundercats. Come here and say, you feel like you're too young for watch Thundercats. Thundercats are like my
Love
realms.
you, and I praise you.
No, man. See the bad one, yeah? This I do you remember remix. Tune after tune and hits after hits. And in the ear and jump up and twist as it goes a little something like, do you remember? How we fell in love.
Oh, and me sing over that song too?
Yeah.
Wow.
And then General beat.
Remember what him say?
Stop me from love, Patricia. Giant, till me stomach.
Remember when him sing what is Celine Dion one go again? If words could talk.
Yo, him shell that one that's still, you know? I feel like Celine
They
Dion
would
is.
say I want you more.
All right. Who are people that you would say are
Celine Dion Jamaican.
honorary Jamaicans?
Celine Dion have to be Jamaican.
For sure. Absolutely. That's without.
We didn't even pronounce her name properly. I one name, you know.
Yeah, Celine Dion.
Me no know. Me
Her
never
name
know.
is Celine Dion.
I never know she name Celine
Celine
Dion.
Dion is her. No.
Mama, your name Celine Dion. Yes,
Celine Dion.
your name Celine Dion. How we pronounce it?
Yeah, man. Celine Dion.
At 3 syllable we have.
Mm-hmm.
Celine Dion.
Yep.
It have a roll off of your tongue.
Yeah, man.
Celine
I'm
Dion.
playing a Celine Dion.
Yo,
Yeah,
play
man.
some new Celine Dion there. Celine Dion.
Yo, I feel like if she drop a song right now,
It will bust a
it will
Jamaica.
bust a Jamaica immediately.
Celine Dion a staple. Celine Dion a Jamaican.
Yeah. Feel like Celine Dion are Jamaican. Kenny Rogers like half Jamaican.
Kenny Rogers.
What's what I get? Honorary Jamaican.
Um,
I feel like Shania Twain for in there still.
which one that? Which songs you sing?
Shania Twain. I can't think of nothing after. But she have some bad song, but just can't remember.
Who's in the one with the raspy voice? Foxy Brown? Or what I want to name?
Which one?
The one with the one with the deep voice, man.
You attack. Tony Braxton?
Tony Braxton.
Oh, for sure.
Tony
For sure.
Braxton, Jamaican.
Tony Braxton a wicked girl too, you know. If you ever meds or sang them, Tony Braxton a wicked girl, you know, bro.
What like her most famous song?
She have her most famous song now would probably be the one with Burna remix.
Last? The one in them remix?
Yeah, Last is a
That would have been her famous song for Jamaicans?
Not for Jamaicans. I would say her famous song would have probably be Unbreak My Heart.
Bombo now with that. Yo, me not lie. Brother, I dance to Jamaica with a killer song that yo.
Unbreak
No,
my
you not do it right. You have to bring it from your stomach. Sit down.
Yeah, yeah.
Unbreak my heart. Say you love me again.
Did you come when you walked out the door and walked out of my life? And cried this tears. I cried so many nights.
Unbreak my heart. Boom. Yo, with a killer song there. Yo, brother, dance with a killer song there, Jamaica. Unbreak my heart.
What a selection, man. Yo, I don't know if you know what she
Unbreak my heart.
Come back and say you love me. Unbreak my heart.
Say you love me again.
Bad.
Brother, we murder that.
You used to rate Tony Braxton still.
Whitney
like
Houston with a kill too.
Whitney. It's hard for me to get Whitney.
She did kind of foreignish though.
She did foreignish.
But she did have a couple what we like.
Yeah, she did have a good amount. You know, which one did really, I feel like, connect with Jamaica more than they connect with America? Them still a play to dance, man. No, man. That one there too. I have nothing. But it's like why is it not? You know the song too, you know. No, man. It's like something like if I went to heaven, like if I go to the gates right now and something about love.
Love.
Oh, Jaja. No,
Find the
bro.
Whitney them. Because the Whitney them, the body
No, man. That is a big... I can't believe me spaz pan that tune right now. It's like I'm seeing it in my Sarata drive right now. And can't... No, man. Tell you the song right now.
You know that one there? You see true right through the heart.
Big
I
tune.
have nothing Nothing. Heartbreak Hotel.
Big tune.
Then would
Big
have
tune.
rinsed that.
Big tune.
You give me good love. How will I know if he really loves me? Oh, you know what you're trying to remember?
Which one?
I'm every woman.
It's no,
another
man, another one there.
I look to you.
No, man. I look to
Brother, all of them
Bro.
songs, they are song when people play a dance at Jamaica, you know.
you.
Know which one we know? The
Which
one
one?
that say, many nights I pray.
Big tune. Big tune.
I can't
Big
explain.
tune. Big tune.
There can be miracle, brother.
If you can.
Hey, Steely! Hey, Mark Watson! Oh, hope is bright. It's hard to keep myself bright. There can be miracle. Jump here.
What is the name? John, no, bro. I feel like I'm vexed, but can't find that song right now.
Believe, somehow you will.
Somehow you will.
At that, you will.
Another one, there, man. Is that
Believe.
cheese and peace?
I see dark clouds on my
Yo, she have so much
window.
tunes,
And,
though.
that's on the Celine Dion, though.
No.
Brother, that one they used to run the dance. Them. I know it's summer's coming up in time.
Oh, right. Who sing that one again?
Darling, I am still in love with you.
That used to shout out. You see all the big people dance them. Stone Love would have kill you with them juggling, say, you know. If tomorrow is Judgment Day.
Yo, no, Jamaica
And I'm
killer.
standing on the front. What a song the name again?
And I have to sing it. And I'm standing on the front line.
And the Lord asked me what I did with my life.
It's okay. I'm coming with you.
Big what?
It's
Okay. Yo, that sing over like 4 times, you know.
Your love is my love.
Your
Your
love
love is my love. We rinse it. We rinse it.
Even taking eternity. I don't know why I couldn't think of that song.
7 million man at Jamaica sing over that song.
Brother, it's 80 billion. Because I know Sanchez have a version. I know Ghost have a version.
Nitty Kochi. Somebody. Some man sing over that.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. There was only honorary Jamaicans, I feel like.
Crying and we got the start. Look, here comes the very first card. Boom. And every time it sing, hey, Steely! I call to pieces. Jump here.
So many memories. Well, stored love.
Hey, Mark Watson. The rain releases. I feel you. I cannot forget. Every time it rains. Every time it rains, y'all. Hey, remember I say house now leaking, I sit on a bucket.
Yo, bro, when I got sense in my life,
you realize that it's our front shut up.
That song was about our front, bro.
Mm-hmm. When the girl said, every time it rains, she get wet.
What?
Yep. That's what I listen to as Pitney and I sing loud.
Big tune to you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Hey, Steely.
World's to love. World's to love. World's to love. Bro. Oh, gosh, man.
Win sound, tell the people.
Why? I feel like dancehall selectors are reggae selectors. We need other samples for certain moods.
No, we have one mood.
Just one mood. Kaboom. You know, the love song, them, you know.
Me remember the song where say every time it rains, I go me the man say, from in on a bad pan in your kitchen.
Why are we like this?
From in on a bad pan in your kitchen.
That's crazy.
When the girl ever know, say right now if rain start falling off, run guy, I go sit on a bad pan.
everything. And then girl in the dance, you know.
Yeah, so after me now sit at the bad pan tomorrow.
Come to them.
I get wet.
Yeah.
Girl,
Yes, there's some no say them have to set it up.
Girl, them know say inside of them house a leak down the
Yeah, man. What?
house a fall apart
Yeah,
right
man.
now.
Flood every time.
But song a play right
We in
now.
a dance and we can't, you see me? Can't make them know say.
We used to love sing Boys to Men too.
Boys to Men had some
bangers.
Some bangers for real.
Some bangers.
Cause no them do
Them and the Casey and Jojo, we rinse them.
Cause you had a good section of them, you know. Cause it was Boys to Men. There was the next one that
Casey
was
and Joe,
Casey
Kevin
and Jojo.
Campbell, Can We Talk?
No man, there was one that was like I don't want to disrespect them and call them a Boys to Men knockoff. But they were kinda Boys to Men knockoff.
Jodeci?
No man. Jodeci was them own thing, man. Alpha One. Remember Alpha One?
Me don't know them one then.
you know Alpha One, bro.
Which song them sing?
I'm telling them big tune. You know Alpha One, bro. It's all the number 4. Yeah, man. Alpha One R&B group. What them big song? And I swear
Don't tell me that's not Boys to Men.
by the moon and the stars
And a Boys to Men that?
That's Alpha One.
Una thief.
That's Alpha One.
A Boys to Men sing a song.
That is Alpha One. Big tune. Big tune.
That's a Boys to Man.
Yeah, man. No, that's all 4
I kid you. me could have swear think a Boys to Men.
Boys to Men get credit for all of that section.
All of the Casey and Joe. Them
Once you sound like a group, you sound like a harmonized.
It's Boys to Men.
That's Boys to Men. No business.
I will sing it out loud.
Yeah, man. I mean, you have
Brother, me remember, I think when I was more like 13 or 14, there was a song, my youth. We don't know if it bus late. He used to play a tone everywhere. The girl, it was a Tink. The girl named Tink. You can find the song. Brother, if you never hear that song when you live in Jamaica, you live under a rock.
Tink.
I try to remember what the girl name. Treat me like somebody.
Treat me like somebody.
Let me see if I can play it in my ears. I can't find it. I don't remember it. I try to remember the song.
Treat me like somebody.
I think she has something like she don't need diamonds, she don't need roses, she need love or something like that.
Oh, I don't know that one, yeah. It have a bag of views, though. I don't know that one, yeah. Yeah,
No.
I think about J-Lo song, but that one I never. I don't think that one did take off, so.
No, I know that. I remember it, you know.
I mean, you have a whole heap of, bro, there's so many, like,
soul
songs.
I haven't heard a soul song in years.
Souls, I like it, stop me. I feel like the last song that.
The soul genre dead.
So it's weird, right? Because I feel like you still have, like, people that make something that sounds similar to souls.
Mm-hmm.
But then when you listen to the lyrics, although Soul's lyrics was questionable in the beginning, but no, it's like a lot more just like, it's a lot less love. You know what I mean? It's more like...
I like music past my time. Because me still don't consider this my time.
Yeah.
But me like music like for some reason my youth, not nice like, all right, it's like rainfall today. Go in, light a candle, put on the little Lauren Hill album there. Drumming my pain with this. Oh,
One time.
Brother,
is that on that album? I feel like it
me
should
don't know
be.
wait there. But whoa, brother, I'm just you're just too good to be true.
Can't think that.
One of the best albums them that ever, you know.
Yeah. Bad album.
The only one she make, but
yeah.
boy,
My vex should not do more still.
the album there staple in my life.
Yeah, man. Legendary album.
Brother, me
Legendary
love,
album.
brother, I just have to just turn that on and me just want when that I play my house clean.
Yep.
Lay down, play turn on like a candle,
Yeah.
back up my foot. Yeah, man.
Just like a vibes. What kind of candle?
Scented.
Yeah, but what scent?
Me don't know. Whatever candle way in the house at the time. Me not really fancy about, but I was buy candle, you know.
So
So buy
you-
candle anyway.
So you don't.
Me buy a candle in a gas station. if me like how it smell, me I buy it.
So you don't like look at the type
No,
of
me
smell.
just a candle or so.
Okay, so you just. All right, this
smell good. Me I use that. Yeah.
So
people come in my house and see lighter all the time and think me I smoke.
So
can't even say nothing to a man say, yo, me G, I light me use it. No, it's son away.
Yeah, you can't say, no, man, I'm from a candle him.
No, me can't tell about
tell the thugs them, yeah, man. No, sometimes I like some candle.
No, it's a candle, man. It's a candle.
I'm a fake candle, is it? No, me just not nothing right now. So do you just pretend like you don't smoke right now? Like you just not smoke now? Or how do you play
no,
that out?
them ask, them be like, yo, you have no lighter, you have no herb, or no? Me say, no. Then them just go get it. They can't smoke in my yard though.
Even though there's a bunch of lighters.
Yeah. You're one of them people that too, you know.
What?
We like smoking a car, you know.
Mm-hmm. I'm smoking on my car.
You know, disgust me.
Why?
Why are you car?
I mean, I feel like that's more respectful to outside.
Car smoking disgusts me.
Why?
Because you're smoking in your car. If you're smoking in your car in your house, you're disgusting. Go smoke outside in your house.
I do that sometimes too.
Go to the driveway. Go sit down outside. Go smoke. Don't smoke in your house.
So if I sit down outside, where am I sit down other than in my car?
Don't smoke in your car. That disgusts me.
Why?
I don't like smoking in a car. Brother, there's nothing where disgusting more than sitting in a car and it smell like smoke.
But you also don't smoke. So that makes perfect sense. I wouldn't go to a butcher shop if I was a vegan.
You can buy vegan, them the boat.
Vegan butcher shops?
I feel like at this point, them a grow vegan animal. Because...
I mean, the cow them vegan still enough.
Mere vegan are kind of sitting.
Yeah, man. The cow
vegan, remember you have vegan oxtail, vegan beef, vegan chicken. So something is growing. Them are plant vegan somewhere. We just don't know. But there's a vegan farm somewhere about the place.
Here's what I realized with the vegan them, and I had this realization the other day. The vegan them need to put respect on the food that them actually eating. I think there's a deeper psychology.
What do I eat?
Whatever you're eating. Why you calling it vegan oxtail? If it's, bro, you take mushroom and chickpeas and call it chickpeas and mushroom. What mushroom do you?
Yeah, mushroom and chickpeas make vegan oxtail?
I don't know what them use make it, but call it what it is.
Brother,
it's not oxtail.
I don't care what anybody tell me about. It's not chicken or it's vegan fish, vegan shrimp, vegan whatever the hell. Whatever it is vegan is. Mm-hmm. You put piece of the actual thing in it to make it taste like it. Piece of chicken in the vegan chicken for it taste like chicken. Piece of oxtail in the vegan oxtail for it to taste like oxtail. There is no way you're going to tell me, say, this is vegan chicken and it tastes just like chicken. You cut piece of chicken, put in it.
Brother, me watch. I just show me know all the problems I argue with them all the while, you know, bro. Me watch vegans put animal product like them I use bouillon for, bro. The bouillon have... Brother, me watch them do some foolishness in a dog. And then I try to defend it. Well, if you did vegan, you would lose some weight. It's like, brother, you eat chicken still.
What I hate seeing is a fat vegan. A fat vegetarian.
Bro, you know the problem? Them decide so them not gonna eat meat and now them...
No, them eat 5 pounds of bread.
All right. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Notice with the vegan them? Watch somebody turn vegan like them decide to them vegan. For the next 3 weeks, you're going to see every version of vegan cupcake and vegan cookie and vegan bread. And it's just all junk food, you know. It's entirely junk food.
But no, them healthy. But no, them healthy.
It's healthy now, because, you know, the animal is what bad for you. It's not
listen to me. From they say, God tell man, you have to sacrifice animal for God.
Mm-hmm.
That means that we have to name them.
I agree.
Yeah.
I agree.
Them dep on the earth, we name them.
Bro, tell them.
So chicken and beef, look out, I'm coming.
Bro, when I just found out LA, man, I try getting at the LA life and say I make a vegan for 2 weeks and blood clot.
Nearly dead.
I'm not nearly dead. All right. I was vegan for probably 2 months, right?
Not long.
Good amount of time. You see by the end of it, first part, felt good. By the end of it, I was like, no, dog. Something I forgot dead for me.
Live.
For me, live right now.
Because now you have no energy.
Zero energy, bro. Zero energy. And it's like...
Your body need protein in that.
Yeah. And it's like there's only so much peas. There's only so much peas you can't eat.
Peas every day, brother. No.
Peas and chickpeas and lentil.
I can't eat peas every day. I can't eat rice every day. I can't eat nothing every day.
Yeah, just over and over and over.
Even chicken, I can't eat every day. I like mix it around.
I don't
know how to do it.
Bro, the vegan them love pretend like said, all right, we're gonna make this is vegan chicken. So we got some unagi mushrooms and we're going to dip. So fry mushrooms.
As if I name it unagi, me not eat that.
So you'd rather eat vegan chicken than the unagi mushroom?
Unagi.
Is that the problem? But that's the mushroom name.
Unagi sound like a character, like a male character in our anime.
Could be.
Yeah.
Because them have shiitake mushrooms.
Me not eat nothing with have shit in it. If shit in the name, me not eat it. Shiitake?
Shiitake.
Shit in the name. Me not eat it.
It's like, no, me not want that.
No, because shit in the name.
All right, so this is how I look upon it. It's like how you say shit in the name, so me don't want to eat it. Why me would have, as somebody would consider myself vegan, why me would have want to eat fake chicken?
Well, yeah, like, why am I gonna name it chicken?
Why would I name it chicken? I could have called it anything else.
You know why? You know what I think happen? In the mind.
It's in the mind, bro.
In the mind.
It's in the mind.
In the mind.
I tell you, cause now you
it's in the mind.
Cause now you normalize, as a vegan now, if no normalize the meat eating.
Brother, them a grow chicken, them a grow vegan chicken, brother. Me tell you, me
see them have them 3D print steak and them thing, you know.
See, that is where we're done.
That is where me see them 3D print steak, bro.
That is where this podcast done. Oh, 3D print steak.
Dog, me see them cut it. It look like, you know, when you cut what eraser.
No. Me not know that with you know. Yo, people. People, it was a good day. Big up on yourself. We're out. Hey, wait. Hold on. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
All of those things.
Yeah. And I have a very big announcement coming up. I am going to start announcing my US and Canada tour dates very soon.
Stay tuned. Drop us some love in the comments. Take care of yourself.
Like it up and share it up. We're out.